Number 5. Seco HD 8924. Premium espresso coffee from fresh beans for 20,000 cups guaranteed. Enjoy 7 beverages at your fingertips, from espresso to cappuccinos and lattes, boiler design thermo block. 5,000 cups of coffee without descaling your espresso maker thanks to the AquaClean water filter. Velvety froth at one touch with the automatic milk frother. Large capacities in compact design. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Breville Bess 920 BSXL. Dual stainless steel boilers and dual Italian pumps for simultaneous espresso extraction and steaming. Overpressure valve, OPV, limits extraction pressure. Electronic PID temperature control for precise water temperature. Backlit LCD displays brew temperature, shot clock, or time. Power, 1700 watts. Voltage, 110 to 120 volts. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Gaggia Babilla. One-touch brewing and frothing, bean-to-cup feature. Milk carafe includes automatic milk frothing for cappuccinos, and milk froth. Manual steam wand doubles as a hot water dispenser. Programmable, 8 programmable brewing options for espressos, espresso lungos, coffee, ristrettos, lattes, cappuccinos, macchiato, flat whites, and milk foam. Easy access to water reservoir. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Seco Zelzes SM7684. Premier Programming. Touch screen control. The Zelzes showcases its programming prowess with an accurate 3.5-inch touch screen. Refined ergonomics. Double thermo blocks. Hygia steam system. The Zelzes fridge-ready milk carafe packs in texture control and automated purge and clean cycles. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Breville Oracle Touch. Precise water temperature. Optimal water pressure. Sufficient steam pressure. Triple heat system. 2 dedicated espresso boiler with digital PID control delivers precise water temperature. 8 customizable coffee settings. Adjustable grind control. Programmable milk temperature and texture. 1/2 shots. Hot water. Voltage, 110 to 120 volts. Setting, touch screen operation. Please check the description for details and best price.